Hi, this is a quick review of the Smart Planet Eco Lunchbox. The concept is, as you see on the picture here, you can reduce the lunchbox to a third of its height. So currently it's about almost 3 inches high, and when you compress the lunchbox after you've eaten the food, it's only about an inch high, as in this picture here. After having used it for about a week now, I've noticed a couple of problems with it. First of all, take a look at the inside. Okay, so you have a spork which is in a removable little plastic container here. Just clips back in there. Around the lip here you have this rubber seal which is loose as such. It doesn't pop out when you're using it, but when you go to wash up it keeps falling out, so that's kind of irritating because then you have to carefully slot it back in. You know, that could have been designed a bit better. Also, I know maybe being pedantic here, but it's calling itself an eco lunchbox. I'm not too keen on people who have a poetic license with the word eco. This is made of plastic. You've got a silicon lunchbox, and I guess it's eco because you reuse it, but where does this plastic come from? It comes from oil, so I'm not sure how eco it actually is, but the simple fact that you're able to use this in a much more flexible manner, I suppose, doesn't really sell it to me. I just bought it because I cycle a lot, and it's fantastic at the end of the day to be able to squash the lunchbox down, pop it in my bag, and it does save a lot of space. Now what you're going to see here is, as I push this down, food is going to get all over the spork, which is kind of annoying when you want to use it. Now you probably wonder why I would do that. Well, this is what happens in your bag. Even when the clips are down, it's not actually going to leak any liquid, funnily enough. It will let some air out, but no liquid can escape. So it is liquid tight, but this is kind of what happens. It would be clipped down like that, and then obviously, which is fine. It doesn't matter really if it squashes down, but then you go to have your lunch and it's all over this. It could be a lot messier than that. So, just a couple of pointers really. I'd say if it didn't have these two items, there's a condiment little tray which is accessible from the top, and that spork is underneath. If it didn't have those two items, it was just a flat lid. It's a great product. I did have to order it from the USA though, so it took about a week to get here. Nothing is available as good as this with a liquid seal in the UK.